Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering and charging the tablet. Plug in the USB-C cable and wait until the battery shows a steady charge. Once ready, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to boot the device. Follow the language and accessibility prompts on screen. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account so you can sync contacts and settings. Make sure to accept essential permissions. This lets apps update and ensures quick access to Play Store apps and backups. Once signed in, check for a system update and install it right away. Security patches matter. You'll then learn navigation. Swipe up for home, swipe from left or right edges to go back, and swipe up and hold for overview to manage apps. Use the Play Store to install essentials: Chrome, Gmail, Google Photos, and any streaming or productivity apps you prefer. Make sure to enable automatic app updates in Play Store settings so you stay current without manual installs. Now personalize your Pixel tablet. Choose wallpaper, adjust display brightness and night light, and set a comfortable sleep schedule. Once done, enable Google Backup so your apps, contacts, and settings save automatically. Set up a fingerprint, PIN, or pattern for quick security. Make sure app permissions match your privacy needs and tidy home screen folders for efficiency. If something goes wrong, restart the tablet first. If problems persist, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.